Hi, it's Loan from Google Tech, and today I just saw the Ultimaker CURA 5.4 beta chat came out, so I'm very excited to try it and to share with you some of my experience with this new version. After I installed it here, this is the new version, and this version here I have is the 5.3.1 beta, the Christmas one. First thing, after I installed it, the first problem I have here is suddenly all of the generic material it disappear except the ASA and the BVOH, and I don't know why. I mean, like with the old version, you have in the generic tab you have all kind of typical material we use for 3D printing, but I don't see it here, and that's why I have the alert here is that there's no profile matching the configuration of this extruder, the ASA one. You can always choose from the other brand, like I have here is like everyone. I use that sometimes too, but I need the generic one. If you really want the generic one, you can just go to here. Here, go to material, manage material. Here. Oh, it's so slow. Here, so you go to generic. And for the generic PLA, you can always export it to somewhere else and then import it back to the new version. So I re-export to my desktop, so I just go to here. Okay, in the let's go to manage materials, and then I can import it. It's in my desktop. Here, open. Okay, so I have it here. I just need to change the color so that we can distinguish between the new version and the old version. I'm going to choose purple for it, just for the test. Okay. Okay, so it's good now. We have two models. This is the old version 5.3.1 and this is 5.4.1. With this new version, they are proud to say that they updated the tree support, so it's gonna be less material to use and gonna be print faster. So let's try it right away, because if you remember in one of my other videos that when we talk about the support, especially for the Prusa 2.6, when it just came out, they had three kinds of support, and the grid, the SNUT, and the organic. That time I used the CURA 5.2.1, so the support can be like 29 to 21%. Let's try it with these two other versions to see is there any improvement here and here. So let's try with the 5.3.1 first. I reslice it here. So it's 2 hours, 2 minutes, and the material, the support it uses 14%. Which is 7% less than the previous version. That's awesome. Now let's look at the review. You see the three supports are here, quite neat and clean here. Now let's check on this new version 5.4.1 when I slice it. It will take some time and depend on your computer is stronger or not. Mine quite old. You still get it. Oh my god, you see. Okay, now I'm confused because with this new version, actually the printing time is 2 hours 28 minutes, which is almost half an hour more. And now let's look at the material. The support here is 18%, so it's actually 4% more than the previous version. So, I don't know what to say. I'm kind of confused. Let's look at the preview of the support here. You see that they have much more support in here than the 5.3 version. Yeah, much more support here. Even though compared to this one, it look cleaner. Like it clear the leg out and everything, but it's still 4% more than the previous version. This is just the test of the software. I really need to print this out, both of them, to have a better look to the practical result, to see which one is actually better. So I come back to you guys when I have both of them in hand. So here are the results. The green one is the 5.3.1. It's much beta version. The purple one is like the purple color in the video that we saw. It's the newest version, the 5.4.1 beta. I printed this one first, then the purple one, so I put it together for you to see. As you can notice, the tail of the purple one, it popped out. This one took 2 hours, 2 minutes to print, and this one is 2 hours, 28 minutes, much more time. And you could tell by that you see the support here is different with this one. It's bigger. It actually needs more supported for the same model that I print with the 5.31. So this is the 5.31. It's quite complete model. This one is quite good. Let me take the purple out also so you can see together. So here they are after cleaning up. This blue one, printing time is 1 hour 50 minutes with 5.2.1 version of CURA, and it used 9% of support. The green one is using the version 5.3.1 to print 2 hours and 2 minutes and 14% of support. And the last one is the newest version 5.4.1. It took 2 hours 28 minutes to print and 18% of support. I already have one video about custom support in CURA, so I will not talk much about it here. I put the link right there for you to check. But just a quick notice for you to see that the quality of the sphere here in the 5.2 version is much better than both the 5.3 and 5.4. If you look closer and look from the top, it's much smoother compared to these two versions. So that's it. That's just some note about the 5.2, but we don't talk about it right now. What I'm talking is about the new version of CURA, the 5.4. I was expected to be faster and use less support, but actually it was the opposite. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe just because this model is special. But anyway, you can try with your machine at home, and you can try either the same model, I put the link there, or you can try different model and let me know the result, because I'm curious. I'm kind of confused after I saw the slicing result up there and then I printed it here. It's completely opposite. So for now, I will stick to the version 5.3. It seems like it's better. I saved like almost half hour printing and 4% of material. What I hope is that this is the version, the 5.4 version is just the beta version. So when they get feedback from the community, they would check on it and fix all of the bugs. For example, my video is one of that. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have different opinion, let me know right in the comment section. I'm really happy to hear. If you like my channel, please subscribe to it, and we see you in the next one. Happy making!